Let's break down AMD. Look, it was giving a disappointing forecast in particular. There was sluggishness when it came to gaming demand. I want to bring in Bloomberg Intelligence Senior Analyst Kunjan Sobhani. And Kunjan, it really seems to be Q2 everyone's slightly focusing in on, because Q1 looked good.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, fundamentally, the story remains intact. It's that sentimentally, it didn't beat enough the high, lofty investor expectations, especially for the GPU numbers coming into the earnings. A second point is the rest of the non-AI business is growing through a persistent slump, which is weighing heavily on all the AI goodness. So overall, at the company level, actually, the EPS numbers for 24 and 24 came down a tad bit. That's not what you want to see from a AI flying high name.
I was trying to unpick what Lisa Su was saying. It seemed in the first instance she was saying AMD is supply constrained. In other words, there's great demand for the AI accelerator product. They just can't get enough of them. She later said in the call, actually, that's not the case. The full-year guide doesn't factor in any supply constraint. What is the story here with demand versus supply of the MI300X? Clarify.
From our perspective, the demand continues to run higher. It's just supply is not binary the way people think. So the second quarter supply is constrained. There will be more supply coming in 3Q and 4Q, and there's only so much they can ship on the second half of the year. And the second point to remember is there's all these crazy high expectation numbers coming from the buy side, where people are going in and evaluating how much supply is coming in and multiplying that number based on how many units the AMD can ship. But that's not how it works. The supply, when it comes in, doesn't run on 100% utilization and yield and etc. So it's not a linear equation that you can extrapolate.
You hear that, buy side? You got crazy high expectations. Even so, do we think that AMD gave enough evidence they will take market share from NVIDIA, which is so far ahead in the AI accelerator race?
We believe so. Look, they have showcased enough engagements, both at the cloud and the enterprise customer. And the second part is more important because the next wave of increasing CapEx is going to come from the enterprise customers, especially in the inference, where the MI300 sort of has a more competitive positioning.
Bloomberg Intelligence Senior Analyst Kunjan Sobhani. Check out his research on the Bloomberg Terminal.